Imagine losing money just to access your own earnings every month. That's a common trap, but there's a simple tool that serves as the perfect foundation for your financial life. A basic current account is designed specifically for you if you're a student or just starting to build your future. You get all the essentials, like a debit card and mobile banking, without the stress of high fees or strict credit checks. The biggest advantage is that you don't need to keep a massive balance just to avoid being charged. While standard accounts often chip away at your savings, these accounts keep things simple and affordable. Your money stays protected by insurance, which is far safer than keeping cash at home. Even if you faced bank rejection before, these accounts are often a second chance to prove your responsibility. Think of it as a launch pad. By using your account to automate bills, you create a trail of on-time payments that can help boost your credit score. Many have transitioned from the stress of cash-only living to total digital stability just by making this switch. It's the smartest way to take control of your money and build a secure path forward without any hidden surprises.